So we're going to set up the Core Essentials battle belt right here. We're going to put some of the equipment that I already got. This is going to be a work in progress. There's going to be more things that is going to come to this. Big shout out to Core Essentials that sent this belt here to the channel for me to do that. Now I am going to be putting this holster right here. I'm going to be put a magazine holder. I'm going to put 2 of those 9mm holsters for now. Later on, I'm going to put a couple other things. But again, this is going to be the initial thing. I bought this with my own money, so again, this is going to be going in there, and I'm going to be utilizing an M&P 9 core, which is my preferred full-size pistol. So before I do any cutting or anything like that, I'm going to go to a video that I'm going to link down below for you guys where Core Essentials actually cutting the belt and showing you how to do this. So again, check out that video so you don't mess that up. Okay, so I cut my belt. Just a couple thoughts as I'm doing this. This belt is really tough, so make sure that you get something very sharp because it's pretty tough in the inside. By the way, I'm following this video and it's fantastic. This tape right here is going to be really necessary, so make sure you utilize this as well. And as you follow the instructions, you're going to have to cut this one too, and it's going to be cut 1 inch less than your regular outside belt. So again, follow those instructions. This little thing right here is going to be, or this little tip is going to fall into this right here as well. All that is explained in the video. This is going to be the belt buckle right here. Obviously this is going to go in the outside belt, and just going to give you a quick look. This thing is amazing. This little thing right here that you press is what's going to get that belt released. So we're going to loose this up. 2 belts are already cut. I'm pretty excited about this. When you tie this up, remember, don't over tie this. If you notice, I have a couple teeth in there that is going to dig into the belt. Okay, I'm looking at the pictures here from Core, and this is going to fit right here, right, like this. So this is going to be to your right side. So this belt buckle right here is going to fit like this. So this little portion right here needs to be to the bottom. All right, so the way in, as you pull this up, make sure you kind of push down so it stays in place. I'm going to tie this up. Here it is, guys. This thing is solid. Really excited about it. Kind of get a look there, get a look right there as well. Okay, so I got the holster right here. Let me try it on, and then I'm gonna readjust some stuff. Okay, I finally got everything right here. So let me just explain you a couple things, which by the way, I still got one more thing to put. I'm gonna show it to you guys. You see the 2 magazines right there for my M&P core, and if you come into the side, you see my pistol and an AR magazine back here. Why do I got an AR magazine back here? So essentially, I have this thing that is, you know, run with me, where I'm left eye dominant. So you see this? I can do this, but I can't do it the other way. So my entire military career, I had to shoot left-handed the rifle, and I shoot right-handed the pistol. Now, quite frankly, it makes it really nice because your rifle will hang on the left and your pistol will be on the right. So when you transition, it's very simple. So again, I wanted to have an AR-15 magazine, but obviously if I'm shooting left-handed, I cannot have it in this side because, you know, you can't change magazines, right? I need to have it this way. But if I have a pistol right here, you guys get the dilemma. So that is why I essentially put a magazine back here just in case, right? So it kind of give you an idea. Now, before I put this on, a couple things. I'm a fat civilian now, so I'll probably look funny with it. And 2, I got to tell you that battle belt, even though they have a name of a battle belt, does not replace a plate carrier or replace something else, right? That is just something else to your system. So technically, which I carry a battle belt, not this one, but one in Afghanistan. Technically, a battle belt is one of those things that when you take off your plate carrier and you put it to the side, you still have the ability to have an extra magazine. Maybe your first aid kit is on you, your knife, your pistol, and things like that. So you're always ready to fight in a way. But again, it's an addition to your plate carrier. So again, that always been my philosophy on battle belts. Is not replacing a plate carrier or a chest piece or anything like that. It's just an addition to it. A lot of people tuck in the shirts when they put these things on, just primarily because, you know, you don't want your shirt to be in the way and things like that. You saw a lot of Marines doing that, and always some sergeant major or something had to say something about it. Okay, so disregard my big belly, but here you have it. Feels good. No issues. It feels strong. It feels like it's carrying all the support. Obviously, I got my magazines right here that, you know, I could draw and do my thing. And again, probably let's switch this around. Should be like this, right? Yeah, so when I grab it, I could index and low. So again, you see my pistol right here, you know, nice and easy. The holstering back is a little bit of a pain on the butt, but that's the holster, that's not the belt. And you see my magazine back here, right? So this is kind of like the belt. It feels like it's holding the support. It feels like it's holding everything. It's not lagging or anything. It feels like it's in place right there. It's like Velcro really well. And yeah, I like the little Velcro right here that holds the little tip right there, and it feels good. Actually feels pretty decent. I could see somebody working as law enforcement or something like that having a belt like this to carry all his tools during work time. Probably a good idea for some of those guys. Maybe guys that wear civilian attire and they have to wear a belt or something. I don't know. But again, feels good. I like it. I think it's pretty nice so far. Let me give you a closer look right here for some of you guys to notice. Just a closer look right there. And here's a look on this side. Again, I'm gonna put maybe one or two things more to this belt. So again, if I move around, little fat kid jumping around, I mean, staying there in place, it doesn't go anywhere. All right, big shout out to Core Essential for sending that belt here to the channel for me to check it out. Appreciate you guys watching, and as always, God is in control.